I am Mohammad Shahriar Hussain, Department of English, Ibrahim Khan Government College, Boyapur, Tangail. I am taking class on article, and in the previous classes we taught about A and D. Today's lesson is on omission of article, अर्थात where article is not necessary. In the question we see that put a cross where article is not necessary. অর্থাৎ আমাদের প্রশ্নে লেখা থাকে যে if there is no need of article or article is not necessary, then we should use cross mark to indicate where article is not necessary. Now we shall study on omission of article proper. If we notice that there are some places or some factors where article is not used to write English, in the first rule proper noun এর পূর্বে সাধারণত কি বসে না, আর্টিকেল বসে না। যেমন মিস্টার মামুন is a teacher. Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Mr. Mamun is a proper noun. Dhaka is a city, name of a city. তারপরে Bangladesh is our motherland. Is our motherland. Bangladesh is a proper noun. Tangail, we live in Tangail. Tangail is famous for sweets. Famous for sweets. These are the proper nouns where article is not necessary. If we see any gap in the examination or in the answer question, then if we find proper noun, then we should not use article. Mr. Mamun, Mr. Sohel, all over the world there are more than 700 crores of people. We should not use article before the name of the people. Suppose places. There are many countries of the world, more than 213 countries. We should not use any article like Bangladesh or any place, Dhaka, India, Pakistan, Russia, China, Japan, Canada, and there are many countries we can name. And London is a big city. So though London is a big city, but we should not use any article before London or any capital or any country's name. Tangail is famous for sweets. Then we should not use any article before this kind of proper noun. Now the second rule, dear students, we know that material noun এর পূর্বে article বসে না. We should not use article before any material noun. Suppose gold is a precious metal, iron is a useful metal. Here we can say that silver is white, or there are many material things, rice, jute, and some other things. Before we do not use any article, but there are some exceptions. এখন if the material noun is fixed or indicated, then we should use article before that things or ornaments. Suppose the gold of this ring is pure. If you have any ring means we use ring for engagement or anything, that is angti. If the gold of that thing is pure or impure is not a factor, but we should use the before the material noun. This is an exception. The gold of this necklace is pure, we should use the. Or the iron of this shelf is strong, we should use the. Or to certain things or a fixed thing, if we indicate the thing directed, then we should use the before the material noun. Then we know that ভাষার নামের পূর্বে দি বসে না. ভাষার নামের পূর্বে আর্টিকেল বসে না. যেমন বাংলা is our mother tongue. Is our mother tongue. Here Bangla or Bengali, he speaks English like the English. Here English is a language and this language is nation or জাতি বাচক নাউন, ইংরেজ জাতিকে বোঝাচ্ছে, সেজন্য এখানে দি ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে জাতি বোঝায়, জাতিবাচক শব্দের পূর্বে দি বোঝায় ব্যবহার করতে। আর এখানে we should use cross mark because here English is a language. This English means English language and this English means English jati বা nation. For this reason we should not use any article before this English and we must use English the before this English. তো আচ্ছা বন্ধুরা, and now in the term of omission of article আমরা জানি যে before the name of any game, that is football, cricket, table tennis or any other swimming or any other games, chess or any other games, before we should not use any article. I like cricket, he likes cricket, they are playing football in the field, and before this football or before cricket we should not use any article. And in this world, there are many games and sports. Before the sports, we should not use any article. Then there is a term of possessive case. Possessive case for article বসে না, যেমন he is our teacher. The noun may be singular or plural, but our is a possessive case, and before, after our, my, your, his, their, we should not use any article. He is our teacher. It is my book. Then another example, Mr. Rahman is my best teacher. Though best is superlative form, but we should not use any article or the before this superlative term. As before this superlative terms, we have used my, that is possessive case. So we know that after the possessive case, we should not use any article. And then another example, Bangla is our mother tongue. We speak in Bengali or Bangla, but it is a name of the language, and we should not use any article before language. And our is a possessive case, and for this reason, my, our, we should not use any article. Dear students, now we should know the rules of using omission of article. Allah, God, this kind of creator or superpowers, we should not use any article. Suppose Allah is Almighty, or God has created everything. This is a matter of believing. In the religion of Christianity, they believe, they say Almighty or Creator is God, and we, the Muslims, use Allah to express our Creator, or Allah is Almighty. And in the term of Christianity, we use God has created everything. But before Allah or God, we should not use any article. Then come to the point of uncountable noun. এর পূর্বে article বসে না. Suppose I like milk. Milk is an uncountable noun. So we should not use any article. We should drink pure water. If we drink water, then water is uncountable noun, and for this reason we do not use any article before water. Rita is fond of tea. Tea is also uncountable noun, and we should not use any article. And I think by this class you have been benefited, and you have already learned where we should not use any article, and if this kind of term is you see in the question, then you will put cross mark before the word where article is not necessary, and you will practice in your residence. There are some other rules also. We said that a group of islands or a group of hills or mountains, we use article, the Himalayas, the Hawaii Islands. But আমরা জানি যে একটি মাত্র দ্বীপের পূর্বে বা where একটি দ্বীপ, যেমন সন্দ্বীপ is an island, তাহলে একটি দ্বীপ বা একটি পর্বতের আগে সাধারণত কি বসে না, আর্টিকেল বসে না। যেমন আমরা বলছিলাম যে সেন্ট মার্টিন ইজ অ্যান আইল্যান্ড, সন্দ্বীপ ইজ অ্যান আইল্যান্ড, and by this way Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, but we should not use any article before Mount Everest. By this way we know There are other rules where there are exceptions of using article, and if you practice at your residence, then you will be able to learn more and more and use this easiest term in the examination. You can get good marks in article if you practice it, and practice it after this lesson. You will be able to use article properly in the examination hall, and you will get good marks in English. So be safe at your residence, and in this corona period we know that we should maintain the rules of health and sanitation. Before you going out, you should use mask to maintain sound health and not be affected by any COVID-19 or coronavirus. And be safe and save your life. Thank you all, and take your ideas from your books also and answer accordingly. Hope your good future. I am drawing an end of this lecture. Thank you all. Thanks to all.